Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean here, and today I will be unboxing the Itouch Air S smartwatch. It is compatible with Android and iOS capability. So, this is what the watch looks like. This is the box. And up here, it is water resistant IP67. I have no idea what that means. And you can, apparently battery life is up to 30 days battery life. And on this side, this tells you all it is water resistant, it has a sleep monitor, it has a do not disturb, it has an alarm, it has an extended battery life, it has a pedometer, apparently it tells you how to run. It has a music remote, it can you could turn it on and off from your music. It could do messages, and on the other side, it has other functions. It could do notifications, find phone, it could tell you the weather. It could do connected. You can connect your GPS to it. You can actually do your camera remote. That's interesting. You could do your calorie tracker. That's definitely something that I'm going to be using, especially with the pedometer. Pedometer. That's weird, but okay. Secondary reminder and distance tracker. I'm definitely going to use the calorie tracker and the distance tracker, and I'm also going to use the pedometer as well, and also the music and the notifications and all that. Alright guys, just want to do, this is the front, the side, the back, and the other side. Alright, now let's get this thing open in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, we got it open. I'm trying to get the watch off, but it's very, very difficult. I'm gonna probably have my parents help me with it. But here's the watch out of the box, up close. Looks pretty cool. It's got that black band, the Itouch, all this stuff. It literally looks like a exact resemblance of Apple's Apple Watch. Looks really, really cool. Definitely gonna wear this today. And then in the bottom of the watch, we got the charger, I believe. This is a weird looking charger. We got the instructions. I'm definitely gonna read up on this. Oh, you could do text messages and stuff. Ooh. The stuff that you guys do not want to eat. And also we got the charging cable. Couldn't think right now. And that's it, guys. Alright. So this is inside the box. We're gonna do a little close up. So here's the band. Here's the screen. I didn't take it off yet. I'm going to do that once it's out. It's a really nice watch. Ooh. Looks really cool. It's got the Itouch right there. Do a little side. Like I said before, it literally looks like an identical Apple Watch. The ones that Apple make. Looks really identical. I mean, the sides might be a little bit bigger than Apple's, but it looks definitely good. If you guys are looking for a quality watch, I haven't tried it. I'm definitely gonna do another review on it. Tell you guys, how it works, and I'll do probably a 1 month thing and tell you guys how how the watch is, you know, how it works for me. And I'm definitely going to do it with the earbuds as well, which I did Thursday. If you haven't checked out the video where I did unboxing on the earbuds, definitely go check that video out as well. And I'm probably going to do like a tech little thing where I bring the earbuds and I tell you, you know, all that stuff, and especially with the watch as well. Definitely really, really cool, not gonna lie. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hope you guys liked this unboxing. If you did, make sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, let me know down in the comments section below what you guys want to see more of for future videos. Also, let me know. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, because I got a lot of other videos come away, so you don't miss it. And also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because guys, we're so close to 300 subscribers, so let's get it. And yeah, also hit me in the description below will be all my social media. Go hit me up on all of them as well. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Doses.